Hi! This is a dress I got from my mom's friend and I thought it could be cute as a lounge set. First, measure the length of the shorts, adding seam allowance. Then cut it out. For the next step, turn your fabric inside out. I didn't do that, I know. So match up the seams of the skirt. I roughly patterned the shape of my shorts with a pair I already own. The shape should look like this. Cut the sides as well. Since I messed up on the first step, I stitched the shorts wrong sides together, as close to the edge as possible. Then I turned it over and stitched it as I would right sides together. If you didn't get that, neither did I really. I seam ripped this weird tube I now have. I think this method is called the French seam. Then I trimmed off the excess fabric. So if you don't want to do those extra steps, turn your fabric inside out. Okay, now that we're back on track, pin and sew the tiny sides, matching up the seams. I hemmed the waist by folding it over twice, 1 inch per fold. Since this already fit me nicely and I don't have elastic thread, I stretched the fabric while I sewed. For the top, I first seam ripped this bias tape or this black thing on the armholes and saved it for later. Then I drew the shape of the top and cut it out on both layers. I hemmed the neckline by folding it once and the bottom hem as well. Now with the bias tape we saved from earlier, sandwich the armholes, pin it down and sew it all the way around, creating the straps. These are super comfy and easy to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next party!